Yo guys, what is going on? In this video guys, as you guys can see, I am wearing a unreleased skin, a custom skin. This skin is never going to come to Fortnite probably. It is literally a custom skin called TBD. It has a custom cover. It is never coming to Fortnite. But this video is crazy guys, and we can join people's party with this skin on and they can see it. So I'm gonna join somebody, and as you guys can see guys, we are in somebody's party and they can see the skin as well. This is insane guys. So alright, but as you guys can see guys, this is completely real. We can join people's party. This is literally insane guys, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this video. If we get 200 likes on this video, 100 subscribers, and we get 350 people to use my supporter creator code, which is the code FCYT. So pop in the code FCYT, plug it in for around 2 weeks, and pop in the code FCYT, and if we get everybody who is watching this video to use my code, I can make the video as soon as tomorrow. So it's honestly up to you guys if you guys want to learn how to get unreleased skins and custom skins like this, and we can join people's party. And this glitch also comes with 100 million V-Bucks, and you guys can okay, purchase the bundle. Okay, we purchased that bundle, owned. I don't know why that thing didn't show up. I think I can't exit out. But yeah guys, we literally glitched the game here, and as I said, if you guys want to learn how to do this, like I said, pop in the code FCYT in the Fortnite item shop, and if we get 350 people to use that code, like I said, I will make a tutorial on this, and of course we got to get those 200 likes and 50 subscribers from this video. So if you guys want to learn how to do that, make sure to do that. And then once we do that guys, I will make a pinned comment. So yeah, hopefully I can make the video as soon as tomorrow, but it's honestly up to you guys. But anyway guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy, and there also is a ton of unreleased skins like this, so I'll be making more videos like that in the future. And by the way, we're also on a daily upload streak. This is upload streak number 5, so if you guys are enjoying the content streak so far, make sure to leave a like. And also, if you guys made it this far, comment the word W and I will heart your comment. And do it because it will boost the algorithm and it helps me out a lot. But that's going to be the end of today's video guys. I hope you guys had a great rest of the video. It's been your boy Radius. Peace.